Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Dylan. I work in real estate private equity. I've been doing this for 6 years, and today we're going to learn how to build an amortization table. So let's get to it. All right, so our loan size, I'm just going to type this in. We're going to make it 100 million. Ooh, I haven't set my things up yet. Anyways, and then we're going to say our rate or our interest rate is 5%. We're going to round that here. And then our amortization, our timeline, or I guess we can just say our timing is, let's call it years. Years, 30. All right, now we're going to start this table. We're going to do beginning of period. We're going to do our payment. And our payment is comprised of our interest and our can't spell, sorry, or type, and our amortization. I'm going to press Alt-HOI to get this. I'm going to actually make these all the same length. Let's do 15, excuse me, the same width. I'm going to center these beautiful bad boys. Oh, I don't have my settings on here, so we're going to use our terrible not shortcut, and we're going to go there. Then we're going to go here, and then we're going to call this the end of period. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go Alt-ESW. I'm going to copy this width over, and then we need the actual tracker, which is the month. I'm going to make this same width again, and then we're going to say 0, center this, and then equals this plus 1. Ooh, did that work? Equals this plus, I can't type. Alt-HAC, and then I'm going to carry this bad boy down until we get to 360, roughly. Bear with me. I know this is very, 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 very exciting. I'm thrilled by this as well. All right. Oh, damn, that was a good one. Did I really get that? Where does this go up to? Q? Okay. Go to Q, and then let's put a bottom border here. I don't have any, I just installed Excel, so I usually have a shortcut for that, but regardless, don't worry about it. I'm going to delete some of these rows. Alt-HDR if you don't know what that is, and maybe put a border around these beautiful guys. Actually, we need to do the payment, which is literally just a payment function. All you do is equals PMT, payment, that's what it stands for. The rate, we need to divide it by 12 because we want to do this monthly. The number of periods is the years, and we need to multiply that by 12 because that needs to be monthly as well. And then the future value is going to be our loan amount. You need to make it negative. You don't have to. I just prefer to do that. And then we start here. Our beginning period is going to be $10 million. Cool. I'm going to center this. Then your beginning period is going to always be linked to your end of period. I'm going to center this. Your payment, I'm going to go equals, we can do this positive, it doesn't really matter. That's your payment. I'm going to round this just so it's like that. Then your interest rate is always your balance. What is it? It's your balance times your interest rate, F4, divided by 12. Cool. I'm going to copy this formatting over, and then that means your amortization is your payment less your interest. Oops, I did a equal sign instead of a minus sign. So then your any balance is just going to be your beginning balance less your amortization. Boom. Cool. And now if I set this all up right, which I think I did, this should all work. And it's not working because I'm an idiot because I didn't lock my payment. I'm pressing Alt F4 there if you don't know that. Drop this all the way down here. Bang. And there we go. It works. So that's how you do it. And the check is to get a 0 after 360 years, days, months. I'm an idiot. Then, you know, if you want to change this up, you can say, let's do 25-year amortization, 6% interest rate. This is all dynamic. I'm pressing page down to get here quickly. You can see 30 years, 25 years right there is when it would be paid down. So, yeah, Let me know if you have any questions. Obviously, that was super simple. I can do this in about 5 seconds to answer any questions you may have. So hopefully this was easy. If you have any questions on shortcuts, anything else, let me know. I'm going to jump into a lot of this stuff because I know how to do it like the back of my hand. Cool. Thanks.